Hey guys, are you want to buy best garage shelving? Then you are in the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best garage shelving that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Flexamounts 2x6 Garage Shelving. For those looking for all-around quality shelves, check out Flexamounts Garage Shelving. This unit comes with 8 wire shelves and 8 heavy-duty brackets that offer up to 200 pounds of storage per shelf section. Not only do the shelves have a high weight capacity at 200 pounds each, but they're also 24 inches deep. They come with heavy-duty hardware, and the brackets are extremely high quality, but we were still surprised that these shelves could hold so much. Installing the brackets was a little tricky as they needed to be level to one another, and the legs were too long for a drywall over concrete installation. However, the mesh shelves break down into 2 pieces each, which made it easy to actually assemble the shelves. There was a bit of wobble, but that's typical of a wall-mounted shelving unit. And number 2, Flexamounts 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack. The space above a car where workbench doesn't have to go to waste. Designed for stashing seasonal gear and occasional use equipment. These ceiling storage drop-down units are 96 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 22 to 40 inches high. Thanks to heavy-duty rolled steel construction, the wire mesh rack can bear up to 600 pounds. At first glance, we didn't know that this model had an adjustable height, so we thought we might actually have to cut the brackets to use it. However, we quickly realized that these brackets adjust easily, allowing us to take advantage of the space over a garage refrigerator. Now number 3, Point2x for Basics 90124 MI Custom Shelving and Storage System. Anyone who is struggling to find a shelving unit to fit a specific space may want to check out the 2x for Basics storage system. This system comes with 6 heavy-duty resin brackets that can support up to 1,000 pounds. These brackets slide onto standard 2x for studs, and a user can screw them in place easily, allowing them to customize the height, width, and design of their shelving space. This unique kit was a lot of fun to put together. First, it allowed us to take advantage of some 2xers we had laying around from a recent project. And the total cost of each shelving unit was extremely affordable. The flexible design was a real plus, and although it did not include lumber, the kit was easy to assemble. At number 4, Rhino Combo Universal Garage Storage. Dyers looking for a simple yet effective wall-mounted storage system may want to check out the Rhino Garage Storage Kit. This kit's bracketry is made from aerospace aluminum, making it durable enough for standard riggers while also remaining lightweight. And at 20 inches deep by 48 inches wide, each shelf provides quite a bit of storage. There were things about this kit we really liked, and some we didn't. For one, we prefer that this kit come with the required shelving boards, even though we were able to take advantage of some of our own. Also, we like that the side brackets will keep items from falling off, and there are no brackets in the middle to cause space issues. We also like the lightweight brackets for easy mounting to the wall. It also wobbled a bit but less than other wall-mounted shelves. And our last product is 7 dual 4 foot tall. Anyone who prefers a high weight capacity over height may want to check out the Walt Steel Wire Storage Rack. This model features heavy-duty shelves that combine to carry up to 4,500 pounds. Made from an all-metal design, each shelf is capable of handling 1,500 pounds. The DeWalt unit certainly won us over in testing. While we weren't sure we'd like this squat shelving unit, this model's massive weight capacity and ease of assembly were instant draws. We also like that despite the design, or weight, the shelves were easy to adjust to make room for larger objects or keep smaller ones organized. And, when loaded, it didn't rock or move at all. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.